What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is 11:47 p.m. on a beautiful Saturday night, and I have not filmed a morsel of footage for the day because we've been busy all day. Excuse me. So I could try and make up some crazy content real quick to try and showcase something, or I can be completely honest with you and say that we have not filmed any footage today. But what value can I add other than saying that? I'll show you what we have been doing. That could be productive. We've been working like crazy. We've been working all day. We got whiteboards filled up everywhere. We got the business booming. Crystal's in here jamming. Jonathan's in here jamming. We got more whiteboards filled up. How you doing, babe? We're drinking coffee at midnight. Is that crazy or what?
So crazy.
So crazy. So, I figured what I could do for today's vlog, since this is not a typical vlog. We're not normally staying up this late. We normally wake up earlier and not stay up this late. But I figured we could talk about some of the behind the scenes of business and working for yourself, and some of the things that you may not know if you don't work for yourself, or some of the things you may want to consider prior to branching out and working for yourself. So, let's put Crystal on the spot. Crystal, how you doing?
I'm really good.
Talk to me about owning...
All the acne on my face? I hope you guys enjoy.
Talk to me about owning your own business and, yeah, all that jazz. This has been a stressful week for you.
I have been on edge all week. I just came back from vacation on Tuesday. Yep, Tuesday. And since I've been back, it has been non-stop and non-stop chaos. So I've been super emotional. I've been kind of stressed out and just overwhelmed by a lot of different things. So when you take vacation, when you take time off, when you go away for a little bit, owning your own business, it doesn't slow down while you're gone. It just keeps going, and then you come back to chaos or just a lot of things to catch up on. So it's been rough. It's been a little bit hard.
Would you change it?
No.
What do you love about it?
I love the flexibility. I love that everything that I do, I actually truly enjoy and I truly believe in. And if I didn't believe in it, and if I didn't love it and didn't put my heart into it, I don't think I would be able to do it every day.
Like, any words of wisdom?
I think I'm learning right now to just take every second at a time, and I've been really trying to practice more yoga and relaxation throughout the day, and I think that that's super helpful. I may not be the best at it, especially on stressful days, but I do think it is super helpful. So just finding your way of zoning out for a little bit, even if it's only for a small period of time, that would be my advice.
I like it. I like it. Very well thought out, baby. Now, excuse me. I'm gonna introduce, you probably already know Jonathan. He's been in a couple of the videos. The Keto Road is what he is on Instagram and YouTube. He was one of my former clients. Took him through his first competition prep. He's been rambling to get involved and help out more with the Keto Bricks and Keto Savage and whatnot. So I've got him helping me with podcast editing, trying to get him more integrated into the social media aspect of Keto Brick to help us out there, because we're to the point now where Crystal and I, as a couple, need more hands. So, Jonathan.
What's up?
How you doing?
I'm doing good, man. Just grinding.
Talk to me about where you're coming from. You just quit your job.
Yeah, I quit my job last Thursday.
How's that?
It was scary, but exciting.
But exciting?
Scary but exciting.
Why is it scary?
Cause it's unknown. You know, you really don't know what's gonna happen next. Like I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. I'm not going to a set schedule, or you know, like those kind of comforts, I guess, that a 9-to-5 can bring. You know, if that makes sense.
What are you excited about?
I'm excited that everything else, like other than the structure, like everything else, like the as Crystal put it, like the ability that I'm just doing stuff that I enjoy. Like I enjoy doing these things, and I'm only doing things that I love, and the opportunity to grow, like not only myself, but like something that I believe in is like, I mean, you can't put a value on that, you know?
Why did you want to get involved with Keto Savage and Keto Brick of all the different brands out there?
Oh, wow. Yeah, talk yourself up, Robert. No, in all honesty, you know, when I think of like what Keto Savage and what Keto Brick represent, what they stand for, you know, pushing people to optimize their lives, pushing people to be savages, to pursue what they want and their goals, and take leaps of faith and get uncomfortable and challenge themselves to just be better, not just nutritionally, but in their mindsets, you know. I just love, I love that, and I want to make that vision bigger and brighter.
Any words of wisdom for people that may be on the brink of leaving their 9-to-5 or their career path job to go do their own thing?
Yeah, just go for it. I think it might seem scary, it might seem like it might be nerve-wracking, but it's worth it. Like, I mean, I'm only like, what, it's Saturday now, so I'm 3 days in, and I'm already like, you know, this was worth every second of, like, you know, the shakes, or like, I don't know what's gonna happen, like, it's worth it. So just go for it. Like, don't be afraid to risk it, because at the end of the day, when it comes to like your career and what you want to do in life, like, you only have like this life, and like, you don't want to miss that opportunity. You don't want to look back and think about how else you could have impacted. You know, pour everything you have into the opportunities that are in front of you, and like, take those chances. Like, I know it can be scary and like I said, nerve-wracking, but you know, take the chance, for sure.
I like it. I like it. Very cool, man. Very cool. Now, I'm just gonna throw my 2 cents in here as well, just to kind of make this vlog a little bit longer, since this is all the content we have for today in the first place. Let me get my podcasting studio. So, as Crystal and Jonathan both pointed out, we love what we do. We work long hours in doing what we do. I was thinking about this the other day, y'all. It's kind of crazy. Like, we wake up super early, we go to bed pretty late, and there's no break. I was thinking about what my day-to-day was like when I was with the railroad, or when I was with just any other job in the past. You've got like breaks, you've got like, you know, like when you punch out with the clock, it's like you can totally disconnect. You can totally just remove yourself from that equation and just go on about with the rest of your life. For me and for Crystal, there is no disconnect. Like, it's always going on. Like, I can, like, I'm gonna get married to Crystal in April 28th. I can guarantee you without a doubt in my mind that on the altar where we're getting, you know, married and whatever ceremonial stuff, I'll be thinking about inventory, shipments, and it's just crazy. Like, it's crazy that there is no separation there. But the life that I'm living now, I would trade for nothing. Like, I love it. I'm working harder, both mentally and physically, than I ever have before, but it's just so fulfilling when you find something that you can tirelessly do and get excited about, no matter what hour of the night it is, and just want to pour yourself into it. The satisfaction and the sense of just sheer enjoyment and excitement that comes with that is just exhilarating. Like, right now, I've been diving into the software for like inventory tracking, and I'm like just super excited about it. Like, I'd rather dive into inventory tracking software than anything else right now. And, you know, to say that it's kind of funny, but you have to own your own business to understand, I think. Because when you found your thing, when you found your calling, and you pour yourself into it, every little detail in it is just, you take so much pride in. Like, I love grabbing the broom and sweeping the warehouse floor, because that's our warehouse floor, you know? And you don't get that unless it's something that you've built with your own 2 hands. So, owning a business is not for everybody. I'm not gonna sit here and say that if you own a business, you're at a higher level than somebody that doesn't. I'm in no position to say that. I have no right to say that. For me, owning a business is the coolest thing, and I would never find the fulfillment I do now if I didn't own a business. There's a lot that comes with it, and there's a lot of sacrifices you make. But if you're kind of on the edge and thinking that you might want to go that direction, you know, believe in yourself. Don't be afraid to. Be excited about having that uncertainty, because that uncertainty can be leveraged and used for just empowerment, honestly. Like, you can use that and use it as a lever to move you forward in life in areas that you wouldn't think to go if you had that safety net. And that safety net holds so many people back from jumping into something that could potentially make them the happiest they've ever been. And if you're on the edge and you feel like that's the direction you want to go, because it's so rewarding. That is all I've got to say. We're in 10 minutes. Wow, we got 10 minutes and 48 seconds in this vlog. So I took a vlog that had no footage and made it into something. Hopefully you found this enjoyable, entertaining, informative, something of the above. I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to a wedding, actually. Don't know if I'm going to film that or not, but I'll see if I can get some good footage for y'all. Take care, toodaloo, good night.